Welcome to another journey into the world of health, wellness, and Zen wisdom. Today, we embark on a soothing exploration of two beloved rituals, tea and coffee. We will unveil the top 5 ingredients you can add to your tea and coffee to not only enhance their flavors, but also to invite wellness and vitality into your life. In Zen, we believe that every moment is an opportunity for mindfulness, even in the simple act of making a cup of tea or coffee. Let us begin this journey, one sip at a time. The power of turmeric. Our first ingredient is a golden treasure from the heart of nature, turmeric. Known for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric is revered for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its vibrant yellow color and potent health benefits. Research has shown that curcumin can help reduce inflammation, combat chronic diseases, and even improve brain function. Studies have demonstrated that curcumin can inhibit the activity of molecules that play a role in inflammation. This can be particularly beneficial for conditions such as arthritis, where inflammation leads to pain and joint damage. Curcumin also boosts the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons and may help fight degenerative processes in the brain. In a study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research, patients with rheumatoid arthritis who took curcumin supplements showed significant improvements in symptoms compared to those who took anti-inflammatory drugs. This highlights the potential of turmeric as a natural remedy for inflammatory conditions. To incorporate turmeric into your tea or coffee, simply add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. For better absorption, pair it with a pinch of black pepper and a dash of healthy fat, such as coconut oil. This combination will help your body make the most of turmeric's healing properties. In Zen practice, we embrace the harmony of body and mind. Turmeric, with its grounding and balancing effects, can be a perfect addition to your daily ritual, bringing you closer to a state of Zen. In the annals of Zen history, there is a story of a master named Ryokan, who was known for his simplicity and harmony with nature. One day, a student asked him about the secret to his vitality and longevity. Ryokan smiled and said, "The earth provides us with treasures that nourish both body and spirit. The golden root of turmeric, with its warmth and healing, is one such gift." He then brewed a pot of tea with turmeric and shared it with his students, reminding them to always honor the gifts of nature and to find balance in every aspect of life. This story reminds us of the deep connection between nature and our well-being, a principle at the heart of Zen practice. The magic of cinnamon. Next, we turn to the warm and comforting aroma of cinnamon. This ancient spice, derived from the inner bark of trees, has been cherished for its medicinal properties and delightful flavor. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants and has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can help lower blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and even fight bacterial and fungal infections. Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which is responsible for most of its health benefits. This compound can help regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable addition for those managing diabetes. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming cinnamon led to a significant decrease in fasting blood sugar levels and improved hemoglobin A1C levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, the antioxidants in cinnamon can help combat oxidative stress, which is linked to various chronic diseases. Adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to your tea or coffee can not only enhance its taste, but also provide a powerful boost to your health. Whether you choose Ceylon or Cassia cinnamon, the benefits are profound. In Zen, we find joy in the simple pleasures of life. The sweet, spicy warmth of cinnamon can transform your tea or coffee into a moment of mindful indulgence, grounding you in the present moment. There is a Zen story about a monk who lived high in the mountains, known for his wisdom and tranquility. One cold winter, a traveler visited the monk, seeking warmth and solace. The monk invited the traveler into his humble abode and prepared a pot of tea with cinnamon. As they sipped the warm, fragrant tea, the monk explained, "Cinnamon is like the warmth of compassion. It spreads through you, bringing comfort and peace." The traveler felt the truth of these words, as the tea warmed his body and spirit. This story teaches us that even in the harshest conditions, we can find warmth and comfort through the simple, mindful acts of daily life. Cinnamon, with its soothing properties, can be a reminder of this Zen wisdom. The serenity of ginger. Our third ingredient is ginger, a root that has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. In Zen philosophy, ginger embodies the essence of yang, bringing warmth and energy to the body. Ginger is renowned for its anti-nausea and digestive benefits. It can alleviate indigestion, reduce muscle pain, and combat chronic inflammation. Adding a slice of fresh ginger or a teaspoon of ginger powder to your tea or coffee can invigorate your drink with a zesty, spicy kick. Ginger contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have powerful medicinal properties. Gingerol is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making ginger a valuable addition to your diet for overall health. Research published in the Journal of Pain found that consuming ginger can significantly reduce muscle pain after exercise. Another study in the European Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology demonstrated that ginger could effectively relieve symptoms of indigestion and dyspepsia. Incorporating ginger into your daily ritual can bring a sense of balance and vitality, much like the Zen practice of harmonizing yin and yang. Let each sip remind you of the dynamic energy within and around you. A famous Zen master, Hakuin, once spoke of the virtues of ginger. He would often include it in his meals, believing it to be a gift from nature that could invigorate the spirit and strengthen the body. One evening, as he prepared a simple tea with ginger, a young monk asked him about the importance of this humble root. Hakuin replied, "Ginger is like the fire within us. It warms and energizes, driving away the coldness of lethargy and doubt. In every sip, we find the strength to face the challenges of life with a clear mind and a strong heart." This story reminds us that in the teachings of Zen, even the simplest elements of nature can offer profound wisdom and support our journey towards balance and harmony. The Calm of Ashwagandha. Our fourth ingredient takes us to the ancient Ayurvedic herb, ashwagandha. Known as the Indian ginseng, ashwagandha is prized for its adaptogenic properties, helping the body manage stress and maintain balance. Ashwagandha can reduce cortisol levels, improve brain function, and boost immunity. Adding a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder to your tea or coffee can help you embrace calm and resilience in the face of daily challenges. Ashwagandha contains compounds called withanolides, which are responsible for its therapeutic effects. These compounds help modulate the body's stress response, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being. A study published in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine found that ashwagandha supplementation significantly reduced stress and anxiety levels in participants. Another study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine showed that ashwagandha could improve cognitive function and memory. In Zen, we seek tranquility and inner peace. Ashwagandha, with its calming and grounding effects, can be a powerful ally in your journey toward a more balanced and serene life. In the tranquil gardens of a Zen temple, a young monk struggled with the pressures of his daily duties. One evening, the wise abbot noticed the monk's distress and invited him to share a cup of tea infused with ashwagandha. As they drank the calming tea, the abbot said, "Life's challenges can be overwhelming, but nature provides us with tools to restore balance." Ashwagandha, with its soothing properties, reminds us that tranquility is within our reach, even in the midst of turmoil. The young monk felt the calming effects of the tea, and with each sip, he found a renewed sense of peace and clarity. This story highlights the importance of seeking balance and calm in our lives, a core principle of Zen practice. The Tranquility of Matcha. Our final ingredient is a green treasure from the heart of Japan, matcha. This finely ground powder of specially grown green tea leaves is revered in Zen Buddhism for its ability to bring clarity and focus. Matcha is rich in antioxidants, particularly a catechin called EGCG, which is known for its cancer-fighting properties. It also provides a gentle energy boost and enhances mental alertness without the jitters associated with coffee. Matcha contains a unique combination of caffeine and the amino acid L-theanine, which work together to provide sustained energy and mental clarity. L-theanine promotes relaxation without drowsiness, creating a state of calm alertness. A study published in the Journal of Chromatography found that matcha contains significantly higher levels of EGCG compared to regular green tea, providing powerful antioxidant protection. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that drinking matcha could enhance cognitive performance and improve attention. Adding a teaspoon of matcha to your tea or coffee can infuse your drink with a vibrant green hue and a plethora of health benefits. For a true Zen experience, whisk your matcha with care, embracing the mindfulness of the tea ceremony. Incorporating matcha into your daily routine can help you cultivate a state of calm alertness, a cornerstone of Zen practice. Let each sip be a moment of clarity and presence. In the peaceful temples of Kyoto, matcha has been an integral part of Zen ceremonies for centuries. One such story tells of a revered Zen master who would begin each day with a quiet tea ceremony, preparing matcha with deliberate care and attention. One morning, a young monk asked the master why he placed so much emphasis on the tea ceremony. The master replied, "In the preparation of matcha, we find the essence of Zen. Each movement, each breath, is an opportunity to cultivate mindfulness and clarity. Through this simple ritual, we connect with the present moment and find tranquility." This story teaches us that in the practice of Zen, even the most ordinary tasks can become profound expressions of mindfulness and presence. The Zen of tea and coffee. As we come to the end of our journey, remember that the simple act of making and enjoying a cup of tea or coffee can be a profound practice of mindfulness. By adding these powerful ingredients, turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, ashwagandha, and matcha, you can transform your daily ritual into a source of healing and wellness. In Zen, we find beauty in simplicity and strength in stillness. Let your tea and coffee be a reflection of this wisdom, a daily reminder of the harmony between body and mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your days be filled with health, happiness, and Zen tranquility. Until next time, stay mindful and stay well. Did you like this video? If yes, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on mindful meditation and inner peace. Until then, stay safe and see you in the next video.